they faced. And at last, Baba was saved. One day, Baba drank used oil, which was also dangerous. That's why all family members, except his wife, decided to send Baba to the Jew. A lorry was sent to Bangalore to receive Baba. And now Baba was shifted to Jew. But Kenny Henderson's wife was sitting alone at the house. She is not feeling well, and she is misbehaving with his family member because she could not live without Baba. In the absence of Baba, she is feeling not like other days. That's why once again Kenny Henderson wrote a letter to the Creator and asked to return Baba from Jew to Bangalore. After he mentioned that my wife, that is Kenny Henderson's wife, could not live without Bruno, that is Baba, because there is a good friendship between Sloth and his wife. We can say there is the bond of love between human beings and a sloth bear, that is wild animals. At last, the creator of the Jew returned Baba safely to the house of Kenny Anderson. Once again, his wife became very happy and welcomed Baba. Thank you.